My name is Aileen, I'm 25. I've lost about 130 pounds. I've been considering this procedure for about a year now because that's how long it took me to lose my weight. And I'm getting a lower body lift and a breast lift. I had consultation with one other doctor prior to Dr. Lampert. I decided Dr. Lampert was going to be the best fit for me because, like I said, he took his time with me. He was very informative. He even measured me during my consultation. I've always been big my whole life. I finally lost the weight, and with weight loss, you know, the skin sags a little bit. So I wanted to get the surgery done so I can look better and feel good about myself. My expectations and goals after surgery is to maintain my body and go to the trainer that I'm gonna get soon so I can build muscle and just look my best. Today is the day before my surgery with Dr. Lampert. I'm so excited. This is the bikini I'm gonna be wearing to my appointment. Just so Dr. Lampert can do the markings and see where everything's gonna go. I can't wait to see what my body's gonna look like. Today is my surgery date. I'm very excited, I'm very nervous. I'm just ready to get this done and see the results. Prior to the surgery, I was feeling very nervous. I was listening to a lot of gospel music and trying to calm myself and obviously doing some prayers. But I know everything's gonna come out fine.
Morning.
Good morning.
This is a big suitcase.
I know.
How are you doing? Did you get any sleep last night?
Barely.
Markings are still on you from
Yes.
yesterday. Okay, they haven't washed. Can I just peek really quick?
Yeah.
Just peek from above, it looks like, and I'll just peek from below. All right, cool, awesome. Okay, good enough. And then so what I'll do is I'll go in when you're under anesthesia, I'll go and darken all those marks so I can see them really good. And then you already have your IV, which is great. So the anesthesiologist will be here in a little bit. He'll talk to you, just go over the whole plan with you.
Okay.
And then you'll get something nice and warm, fuzzy margarita through the IV. It's a little bit of Versed, so it makes you forget a lot of stuff, but it also makes you feel really comfortable.
Okay.
We'll put a warm blanket on you. We put some massagers on your legs that massage your ankles. This 25-year-old female lost approximately 130 pounds and now has severe skin laxity after massive weight loss. The areas that bother her the most are her abdomen, outer thigh, and also her buttock and back. So we're doing what's called a lower body lift, which is basically a circumferential tummy tuck and also a breast lift today. Later in another surgery, we'd like to do a arm lift and a thigh lift, but to try to combine all these surgeries in one operation is too long for one day.
I'm about a month and a half post-op. I feel a lot more confident with my body. I love the way I look now. Before I was really depressed because when you do such a big weight loss and a big change like that, usually gravity pulls down all your body mass. And now that I've done this, I'm just very happy and I feel very confident. Now that I'm 1 month post-op, I'm really happy with my results. Anybody that wants to do a procedure like this, I definitely say go ahead and go for it. You're gonna feel really confident and feel really good about yourself, and you're gonna be happy that you did this, trust me.